In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z7 Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view on the top half of your screen. Tap on it and launch it in the background. Now with your app ready, click on the icon of it available at the top and select Open in split screen view. Now click on the second app and enjoy using both at the same time. To go back from this mode, you can either drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down, then tap on Home button, or swipe both in the background. But here's what I discovered testing this option before recording. You can actually click on those three dots in the middle of your apps and tap on those two arrows to switch places of them. But now my favorite feature, which is clicking on this star and adding this split screen app pair to your home screen or apps edge panel. I will go with home screen, so I have to click here and go back. Now I need to look for split screen shortcut, and when I click on it, I can use both of my apps in split screen view right away. To delete your shortcut, you can always hold it and tap on the remove option in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!